Hey there, fellow enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about protection and preservation: the Amazon Basics Clear Thermal Laminating Plastic Paper Laminator Sheets. When it comes to keeping your important documents safe and sound, having the right tools is essential. With this pack of 200 laminator sheets, sized at 9 by 11.5 inches, you're ready to protect your valuable papers for the long haul. Convenience meets compatibility. These laminator sheets work seamlessly with leading laminators. All you have to do is place your document in the pouch and insert it into your laminator. It's a simple and hassle-free process that ensures your documents are securely sealed. Quality matters, and these laminator sheets are no exception. Crafted with care, they provide excellent clarity and durability. With a thickness of 3 mm, these sheets offer the perfect balance of protection without compromising the visibility of your documents. Whether it's cherished photos, important documents, or anything in between, these pouches have you covered. The durable and photo-safe design ensures that your items remain intact and preserved, even when subjected to the test of time. After the laminating process, these pouches leave you with a clear finish that truly enhances the visibility of your documents. No more worrying about smudges or creases; your important papers will shine through. These versatile pouches are a game-changer for a variety of applications. From calendars and ID badges to note cards, recipes, and more, these laminator sheets can handle it all. Your creativity is the only limit. These thermal laminating pouches aren't picky when it comes to laminator brands. They're designed to work flawlessly with all leading laminators, including the Amazon Basics Thermal Laminator. If you're a photo enthusiast, you'll appreciate how these pouches work wonders with photo paper. Preserve your favorite memories in all their glory and protect them from the passage of time. The clear finish these pouches provide is nothing short of premium. Your important documents will remain highly visible and easily legible, even after the laminating process. To sum it all up, the Amazon Basics Clear Thermal Laminating Plastic Paper Laminator Sheets are your go-to solution for protecting and preserving your documents. With their durable design, clear finish, and compatibility with leading laminators, these pouches have endless applications in both personal and professional settings. If you found this review helpful and want more insightful tech content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting reviews on Product Critique. We're here to help you make informed decisions in the world of technology. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the Amazon Basics Clear Thermal Laminating Plastic Paper Laminator Sheets. Remember, protecting your documents has never been easier. Until next time, keep discovering and preserving with the latest gadgets and gear.